Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to install Java JDK 17 on a Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. So let's go and install it. First of all, just go to the any web browser and here just type Java JDK download. Just type Java JDK download and hit enter key on your keyboard. Okay. And here is the oracle.com. It is an official website of the Java. Okay. Java JDK. Just open this oracle.com website. Open it. Here is our Java website. It is open. Here we find Java 17 is available now. Okay. Here is the Java SC development kit 17.0.2 and version is always changing. In future, version is changed and it is updated. So always use latest version. If 17 is not fine and latest version is fine, go with the latest version. Okay. Now here we find Linux OS, Mac OS and Windows OS. We want to install it on the Windows OS. So just go to the Windows and here we find 64-bit installer. I am going with the 64-bit installer. So just click at here 64-bit. Okay. Now just click on OK and our download is started. I just minimize the website and it takes some minutes or few seconds depending on the speed of your internet. So wait for a few minutes. Now our download is completed. Now we just click on the close. Okay. Now here is our setup file. Here is our setup file. Just right click on setup file and just click on run as an administrator. Click on the yes. Click on the next. Don't change the default destination folder. Just click on the next. Now our installation is started. Wait for some time. Okay. Now our installation is completed. Just click on the close. Now we want to set an environment path. First of all, we has to copy the environment path. So just go to this PC. Here we find C. Just go to the C drive. Here just go to the program files. Okay. Here is our program files. Here we find Java folder. Here is the Java folder. Just double click on this Java folder. Here we find our version JDK, then version. Okay. If version is changed, then just go to the latest version. Here is the JDK version. Okay. Just double click on it. Okay. Here we find one file folder bin. Just double click on it. Okay. Now just click at this path. Here is the path or address bar. Just click at here and just copy this from program to bin. Okay. C to bin. Okay. Right click on it. Copy this. Okay. Now just minimize it. Now we are going to set an environment path. That is very easy. Just go to the start and just type environment path or edit the system environment path. Just click at edit the system environment variables. Okay. On variables. Okay. Here we find environment variables. Just click on the environment variables. Okay. Here we find two things: user variables and system variables. Always go with the system variables. Always go with the system variables. Here first we find the path. Just find the path at here. Then just click on the edit. Here is the edit button. Just click at here and just click at new. Okay. Now paste our copied path or address. Okay. And click on the OK. Now we want to set another environment path. So just click at the new. Here is the new button. Just click on the new and here just type Java home, all capital underscore home. Just type Java underscore home. Now just paste our path once again and this time remove bin and this /. Remove bin and /. Just go with the program file Java JDK and version. Okay. And click on the OK button. Okay. Now click on the OK. Now click on OK. Now we can check our Java version or Java is working or not. Okay. That is very easy. Just go to the start. Just type cmd and just go to the command prompt head at here. Here is the command prompt. Right click on it. Run as an administrator. Click on yes. Here just type Java -version. And hit enter key on your keyboard. Now we are fine Java version 17.0.2 or your version. So guys, this is the simplest way to install Java JDK 17 in Windows 11 operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.